Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Limone, one of the co-founder of UrbeTalks as well. And today I'm going to talk about Bobby Safe. But before talking about the project, just wanted to mention that this project that we are showing here is something that we built at hackathons. Like Brian was built in Prague. This one was built in Global Lisbon in May. And it's something that was in our mind, not the project, but the mission of connecting people to create cool stuff in Web3 and push forward the ecosystem and the innovation. And that's why today we wanted to showcase what we built and what we expect hackers to build in Ethereum as well. So Bobby Safe is, as you can see, a privacy-first crypto payroll platform for organization. And we decided to build that because there was one of our teammates, Frank, which, is here. He was experiencing some issues in receiving the payroll from his company in transparent and public ways. Because, think about all the people that you know. Would be crazy if all their salaries would be public and transparent. This because, of course, transparent crypto-based payroll systems expose employees to different issues like identity theft, scams, frauds. It also exposes them to unfair salary comparisons because, of course, there could be dissatisfaction due to pay gaps and reduced negotiation power because headhunters can easily see what's your salary, and that is enabling talent poaching. And that's why we started building this project with the vision that in the future there will be a lot more organization that will handle some kind of payroll system in crypto, and they will need it to be private, like what's happening in the traditional ecosystem. The solution that we have in mind has two key components that are zkBob and Safe. zkBob is we're using it for the private payments infrastructure, so it's allowing us to perform anonymous transactions on their protocol so that the people that are receiving the money can remain anonymous in the network. And Safe, we used it because, of course, most of these organizations are using Safe as a multi-signature provider to pay their contributors and to manage all their interactions, but also because Safe is now offering a nice toolkit to develop account abstraction. And that's what we're trying to do. So building a crypto payroll platform that is focused on protecting employees' privacy. What are we building actually? So we want to build a unified dashboard where you can do everything in one single place. So you can perform single payments, multi-payments, scheduled payments. You can possibly on and off ramp automatically without having the headaches of doing it on your own. We also want to offer a lot in terms of reports, analytics, and invoicing. This to help companies, managing all their payrolls. But everything that we're building is built with built-in privacy because we are using zkBob again. Now I wanted to show these slides are some prototypes in which we are working on. These are not live yet, they are on Figma. As you can see, we imagine our dashboard to be really simple to use with 5 items, menus with single payments where you can choose the token with which you want to pay and the address where you want to send it. You can possibly do multi-payments. So let's say that I want to send 500 USDC to one address and I have it here. And then I can send more, instead of using USDC, some different tokens. Scheduled payments, it's simple and similar. So instead of, the only thing that differs is the frequency and the number of payments that you want to perform. So you can set up, for example, daily, monthly, yearly payments, and also the number of times that you want to perform this payment. And then, of course, we also want to build the tooling to help people withdrawing the money. Because one problem that zkBob has in these days is that interacting and withdrawing money from their platform, you need to know how their protocol works. But thanks to Safe, we think that we can abstract a lot of that complexity and helping also people bridging to different chains or swapping automatically or even off-ramping to their bank account. And finally, to start simple in the analytics vision, we want to offer a simple tool to check the history of the transaction that you performed, so the money that you received and the one that you sent. And I think that's it. Thank you.